Hi friends, this is Dr. Sanjeevani Nene, your mind shift programmer and transformation coach. I came across this poem. I do not know who it has been written by, but I felt it was so apt and it was so applicable to each one of us. I felt that I really related to that poem. We as women hesitate to take decisions in our life. We as women hesitate to express our feelings. We as women hesitate to take action. So this poem gives you a nudge and tells you, be a little more carefree. Don't think so much about what people will say. Okay, so this is in Hindi and I hope everyone appreciates this. तू अपनी खूबियाँ ढूंढ, कमियाँ निकालने के लिए लोग हैं ना. That means you look for what is your USP, what is your strength. There are always people who will find some drawbacks within you. Don't look for drawbacks within yourself. Look for your strengths, look for your quality, for the qualities that you possess. अगर रखना है कदम तो आगे रख, पीछे खींचने के लिए लोग हैं ना. So if you want to take a step forward in life, there are a lot of people who are there to pull you back. Always make an effort to take a step ahead. सपने देखने हैं तो ऊंचे देख, नीचा दिखाने के लिए लोग हैं ना. It tells you dream big, think high, dream big. There are always people who are going to put you down. So don't put yourself down. Don't underestimate yourself. Okay, dream big, have big aspirations, have big goals, and don't get deterred by what people say. अपने अंदर जुनून की चिंगारी भड़का, जलने के लिए लोग हैं ना. जुनून, अपने अंदर का जुनून is the self motivation. So they say ignite the self motivation which is within yourself. There are always people who are just waiting to pour water on the aspirations that you have within yourself. प्यार करना है तो खुद से भी कर, दुश्मनी करने के लिए लोग हैं ना. They say love your friends, love your neighbors, love your family, love your parents, yes, but you need to love yourself first. Only if you love yourself will you be able to love others and spread affection amongst your surroundings. रहना है तो थोड़ा बच्चा बनकर रहे, समझदार बनाने के लिए लोग हैं ना. They say there is a child in every adult, in every human being who is a grown up adult, there is a child. Make sure you keep that childlike behavior alive. That will make you feel enthusiastic in life, that will help you to look forward in life. भरोसा रखना है तो खुद पर रख, शक करने के लिए लोग हैं ना. Trust yourself, trust your instincts, trust your intuition, trust your feelings. There are always people who are going to be doubtful. They will have doubts on your capabilities. They will have doubts on your aptitude. But don't judge, don't go by what others are saying. Have faith in yourself. If you feel you are confident, if you feel from within yourself that yes, you can do something, go ahead and do it. And have the perseverance to stick to what you have decided. तू बस सवार ले खुद को, आईना दिखाने के लिए लोग हैं ना. So सवार ले means not just get ready, do makeup. That is not the case. You have to सवार लो yourself means you have to get ready. Prepare yourself mentally, prepare yourself physically for the hardships also if you have to take. People are always there ki see, we had told you don't do this, see what you have done to yourself. That's fine, but you have to be strong from within. Sawar le is to become strong from within. खुद की अलग पहचान बना, भीड़ में चलने के लिए लोग हैं ना. Every individual has some or the other unique quality. Try to find that unique quality within yourself. Don't follow the herd. Don't have the herd mentality. There are a lot of people who are just followers. Don't follow blindly. That is one thing. Don't keep following mindlessly. Always follow someone who has achieved much more than you. But don't just follow blindly. Take inspiration and establish your own identity. खुद की पहचान is your identity. Okay? तो कुछ करके दिखा दुनिया को. तालियां बजाने के लिए लोग हैं ना. Once you have gone through all the hardships, once you have taken all the efforts, the lot of blood, sweat, toil, tears, everything, and then when you achieve success, the very same people who were doubting your capabilities, who were doubting your intentions, who were doubting whether this would be successful, who were ready to put you down, they are the ones who will keep quiet and they will be forced to clap in appreciation. So I felt this is a very beautiful poem, and each one of us needs this kind of inspiration, this kind of a push to do something in life which is there within ourselves. We've been wanting to do something, and somehow you just can't get yourself to do it. Probably family pressures, societal pressures, whatever it may be. I suggest please get over that, become little carefree, take calculated risk. I would not say take risk anyhow, but take calculated risk. Take one small step at a time, which you can afford to take financially, physically, otherwise also. So make sure that you make a start. This is my sincere request, and if you need any help, yes, I am there. I have a program called Know Yourself, Know Your Worth. It's a 4-week mini coaching program which is going to help you get confident and get going in life. Thank you.